Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to take a moment to say thank you. Yesterday, I received hundreds of messages, comments, and it really means a lot to me. I cannot express in words how grateful I am to God for this journey because I never imagined that in my life I will be receiving so much love from all the parts of the world. So, thank you so much for loving me and supporting. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So, my dear friends, as expected, gold is sideways. Gold is trading in a range. And as we all know, the overall trend of gold is still bullish. There is no doubt about it. If we look at the daily chart of gold, obviously the market is super bullish. But is this the right time to take a buy position as a swing trader or position trader? Obviously, no. Because if we take a buy here right now, we will be paying a higher price. Obviously, we need a discounted price. Nobody likes to pay a high price, isn't it? And at this moment, we can expect that after a couple of days or by next week, okay, we will get a very good entry. So let's wait and watch because we can clearly see on the chart right now that market is stuck in a range. So we can easily see that this is not the right time. So whatever levels we have in front of us on the chart are for day trading only. And today is special because today we have CPI. And as we all know, CPI is a major event. CPI is an event that can change the direction of the market. So before a major event like CPI, we can expect the market to remain like this only. After CPI, obviously there is a possibility that market may go for a trend continuation, trend reversal. So if you see, listen to me carefully, okay. If you see that there is a sudden up move in the market or sudden fall in the market, then you can follow the trend of the market, forget about the levels. Because when a news like CPI, NFP dominates the market, technical do not work. The only way to make money is to go with the flow. Obviously, news trading also have disadvantages. They are critical market manipulation. So if you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not want to take risk, just observe the market. If you're an experienced trader, go with the flow. That is the only trading strategy. And whatever we are about to discuss right now are only valid before the news only. Because after news, nothing is going to work. We are retail traders. We should know our limitations. When our technicals will work and when our technicals are not going to work, isn't it? So at this moment, okay, we can see market is trading in a range. So in a range bound market, obviously the trading opportunities are less, but still we can expect one or two trades before the US session. We still have time. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold edges higher amid global economic slowdown fears. Gold edges higher in early Asian session, supported by fears of a global economic slowdown that could be spurred by tariffs. Okay, so the tariff, trade war trade or the tariffs, okay, trade is still dominating the market. There is no denial. Gold holds advances. So more or less, you can see that there is no major news in the market, but the trade war trade is still dominating. So we can expect that after CPI, if market starts falling also, okay, it is not going to be a free fall towards 2500, 2600. We can expect that gold will get some support around 2850, 2800. So personally, I feel that if gold starts falling also, we are not going to see gold below 2800. Because still I receive comments and messages where people are holding their sale from 2500 to 2600. Sad to say, chances of market going below 2800 is very less. And right now we can see that market is trading in a very narrow range here around 2915, 2920 area. So yesterday we had a resistance here, remember? Okay, so that resistance is obviously no longer valid. But yesterday we also discussed about two support areas around 2870, 2869, okay, and 285, no, 285. Now remember, my dear friends, okay, these two levels or these two supports are still very much valid. I don't want to discuss okay how we have derived them because they are far away. Chances of market coming down to these levels are very less. So okay, let's not waste time. But just a reminder that 2870, 2869 and 28598 is are still valid supports. And right now if gold starts falling also before after CPI, sorry, not before, after CPI, I don't think so it will be able to break this particular low here. And one more thing I would like to add here is that dollar is already under heavy pressure. So there is a possibility that, see, there is a possibility that inflation numbers will be hotter than expected. Okay, because if market starts falling or DXY starts falling, it will be heading towards 100 and then double digit. And I don't think so DXY, okay, will be surrendering that easily. So I always, probably you guys have also observed that whenever DXY is under pressure or in trouble, okay, something comes up to save it. So I think inflation numbers will be hotter than expected. So before CPI, if we see gold falling or gold coming down, then as a day trader, we can look for a buy around 2901 to 2900. Okay, this is the first level or first support where we can look for a buy position. 2901, 2900. Obviously, 2900 is a round number for because of which we have a psychological support. I'm talking about this area. Okay, and you can see 200 moving average also coming up, and moreover, okay, we also have FIBO 50% retracement level. So if market comes down during the Asian session, European session, this is our first support where we can look for a buy position around 2901, 2900. Our second support on the chart of gold is around 2896, 2892, 2896 to 2892. Why we are considering the this particular zone here? Because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, we can see that we also have support around this area. So if we combine both the factors, then 2896, 2892 is also a very strong support. And before a major event, as we do not see a crazy amount of volatility, so we can expect that as a day trader, we can score 40 to 50 pips around these two levels. So if market takes support, then only look for a buy position. Okay. At the top, the resistance of 2930 is still very much valid. 2930 to 2926. So this is still a resistance. During the day, if market shows price rejection from above, and if you see the market struggling around 293026 area, we can look for a sell around this area as well. So the resistance is still very much valid. Before CPI, chances of market going above 2930 is very less, because to break a level like 2930, we need volume. And right now we can clearly see volume is missing. Okay. In simple words, we need big candles. Okay, and we can clearly see the size of the candles are not very convincing. So I feel that if market goes up also, okay, before CPI, market will face some resistance. Okay, and in case market surprises us, then let the market go above 2930. Do not buy at breakout. Okay, do not buy at breakout because it can be a false breakout as well. Later on, when market will be coming down to the same area, when the resistance will become the new support, then you can buy again, but not at breakout, because it can be very, very risky. Okay, so stick to the levels for safety purpose. Do not enter here and there. At this moment, we can see the market is trading around 291415 area, and you can clearly see that market is forming dojis and spinning tops. Okay, so in simple words, market is in indecision right now. So if you're getting restless, if you're getting impatient, then hold your horses. This is not the ideal scenario to place any trades right now. Whether you are trying to buy or sell, doesn't matter, but market is an indecision. So better stay and wait for the levels. Okay, patience is very important in trading. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct only 3 times a year. Last workshop was in December and the next workshop is in April. So if you're struggling with the market, unable to make money, you are confused how to proceed with the market, then this workshop is the right choice for you, because it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who knows everything about the technicals but still not profitable. So there will be total 7 classes. Initially, there will be 3 classes and then 4 weekly sessions. I have stressed this for over a period of month so that you can learn and execute, because if we learn everything at once, we forget. So initially, there will be 3 classes. Hindi classes 4th, 5th and 6th of April, and English 11th, 12th and 13th of April. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. So you will find everything, all the details on my website. And you'll also be receiving a free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklist, loss size calculator and all. And if you are a resident of India, अगर आप India से हो, there will be a separate session because in India trading is a little bit difficult, complicated, so there will be separate sessions for Indians because I cannot discuss many things on YouTube. And in 1 month support, you will be added to a WhatsApp group. Let me show. This is how a group looks like. So this is a glimpse of our WhatsApp group. So in the WhatsApp group, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Many people also join because they like the ready-made stuff. Okay, and you can join now also. Okay, though we have time for the workshop, you can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free market updates, analysis on the WhatsApp group. We also have a session during important events. We conduct sessions also. Okay, and these are the topics for the weekly sessions. You can see, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. Okay, and if you miss also due to time difference, nothing to worry. I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. For 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. Trading is a journey, trading takes time, we all know it. So if you're looking for a longer support, if you're looking for personal sessions, guidance, mentorship, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime support as well. You can see the fees is mentioned here. So if you are struggling, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime support. If more or less, if you're doing well, you just want to be a part of the workshop, then simply going with the workshop is fine. So it depends on the requirement. Okay. And these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.